Let's jump right in. If you've ever been curious about intermittent fasting, but you've been entirely put off by the absolute mountain of bloat, pop-up ads, and forced subscriptions in today's health apps, well, you're going to love what we're looking at today. Welcome to this explainer on mastering nüchtern. It's a completely private, offline fasting companion that basically strips away all that digital noise so you can focus purely on your health. I'm going to be your digital guide today, giving you a full, hands-on demonstration of how this application actually works. We'll be walking through the menus step by step so you can easily follow along on your own device, literally from your very first screen tap all the way to tracking your most advanced fasting milestones.
Here is our roadmap for this explainer. 1. Getting started and privacy. 2. Setting your fasting goals. 3. Tracking water and health. 4. Inside the metabolic journey. 5. Fasting with friends. And finally, 6. Advanced features and safety.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, Getting Started and Privacy. You know the biggest frustration with health tracking today, right? It's the endless account creations and data harvesting. It's wild that to measure something as simple as when you last ate, you suddenly have to verify an email and surrender your personal data to some server halfway across the world. Nüchtern takes a refreshingly different, almost old-school approach. Designed and developed in Zug, Switzerland, its entire philosophy revolves around absolute privacy. Everything is saved directly on your device. It works completely offline, requires absolutely zero account creation, and your data genuinely never leaves your phone. You get the whole shebang, a highly sophisticated health tracker, without trading away a single ounce of your digital footprint.
Okay, so let's actually dive into the setup process, because it's uniquely brilliant. You won't actually find this by digging through a traditional app store. Instead, you just navigate to nüchtern in your web browser. From there, it's a super simple 3-step process. If you're on an iPhone, you tap that little share button at the bottom of your browser, scroll down, choose Add to Home Screen, and then just tap Add. On Android, even easier. Open your browser menu and choose Install App. Once you do that, it acts just like a native app, opening full screen right from its own icon on your home screen. Because it's built as a progressive web app, you don't have to worry about browser caches wiping your data once it's properly installed. No messy downloads, no signing up, just instant, reliable access.
Moving right along to Section 2, Setting fasting goals. Once you tap that fresh new icon on your home screen, your very first move is to log your last meal. If you forgot to hit start exactly when you finished eating, no big deal. Just tap the edit icon to adjust your start time. From there, the app gives you presets ranging anywhere from 13 up to 72 hours. Now, a target of 16 to 20 hours is really the sweet spot for a consistent daily rhythm, and you can select that right from the main dashboard. But a quick tip, if you are totally new to intermittent fasting, starting at 13 hours is highly recommended. That's essentially just finishing dinner a bit early and having a slightly late breakfast. Very doable. Actually, the app's built-in guidance carries this vital philosophy for progressing, and it hits the nail on the head. Treat this like training, not a test of willpower. It advises getting completely comfortable at 13 hours, then gently moving to 16, then maybe 18. The real secret here is holding each rung of that ladder for a week or two before adding the next one. You should only really step into that multi-day fasting territory once the shorter fasts feel genuinely effortless. It's all about building a sustainable habit, right? Not punishing yourself. Next up, Section 3, Tracking water and health. So you hit Begin Fast and enter the active phase. Right down at the bottom of your screen, you'll spot a dedicated water tab. Out of the box, it sets a daily target of 3 liters. To log a drink, you just tap the little water glass icon. But here's a neat detail. If your go-to water bottle or favorite mug is larger or smaller than their default size, you can easily pop into the settings menu and customize exactly how much water a single tap records. The app actually helps pace you throughout the day, providing these gentle little nudges to keep sipping so you stay right on pace. It's a great reminder not to wait until you're absolutely parched to start drinking. Now, to make sure you're fasting safely, if you navigate to the Guide tab in the main menu, you'll find these 5 golden rules for what they call fasting done well. Number 1 is simply tracking your time since eating. Number 2 is water, and a really practical tip they offer here is aiming for a pale yellow target. Number 3, and this is absolutely crucial, is electrolytes. If you're pushing past 16 to 18 hours, your body naturally flushes out sodium, potassium, and magnesium. The guide reminds you to replenish these. They carry 0 calories and literally will not break your fast. Number 4 is monitoring how you feel. A few mild hunger waves? Totally normal. Feeling dizzy? Absolutely not. And number 5 is the refeed. When you finally hit end fast, you want to break it gently. Think bone broth or a little protein before diving into a heavy meal. All right, Section 4, Inside the metabolic journey. Have you ever found yourself staring at a fasting clock and wondering, beyond just feeling hungry, what's actually happening inside your body as those hours tick by? Well, nüchtern actively tracks your biological milestones right alongside the clock on your screen. It basically transforms a simple timer into this incredibly cool, real-time educational tool. Let's look at how these biological phases shift. From 0 to 4 hours, you're in the fed state. Insulin is high, your body is digesting. Skip ahead to that 12 to 16-hour mark, and fat burning finally kicks into gear. Push that window to 16 to 24 hours, and boom, you enter ketosis. Now, if you're doing an occasional prolonged fast, maybe once a month, the 24 to 48-hour window is where a process called autophagy starts, which is essentially deep cellular repair kicking into high gear. You can monitor exactly what stage you're in dynamically just by checking the timeline tracker right beneath your main fasting clock. It even gives you plain language explanations of all these medical terms exactly when you need them. Let's transition to Section 5, Fasting with Friends. Okay, so fasting can sometimes feel a bit isolating, but this app has an ingenious offline-first feature called Fast Together. You don't have to create a public profile or search through some massive database. Step 1, you just set a local nickname. Step 2, you share a quick invite code. You can text a link, or if your friend is sitting right next to you, they can just point their camera at the code on your screen. Step 3, paste their code to connect. It uses a secure little relay to pass only your name, your current fast times, and any fun little emojis of encouragement you want to send back and forth. Nothing at all happens in the background while the app is closed, and there are literally 0 user accounts involved. And honestly, if you ever want to end a shared session, you just swipe left on their name to remove the connection locally. Simple as that. Finally, Section 6, Advanced Features and Safety. Let's poke around the settings menu and see what's there for power users. nüchtern is completely functional for free. You get classic themes, the standard preset goals, and all your local tracking. But there is a totally optional pro version tucked in that menu. It unlocks some really cool extras, like setting custom goal lengths right down to the minute, keeping your screen awake so you can use it like a nightstand clock, and the ability to restore data from previous days. The absolute best part? It's a one-time purchase. No sneaky $10 a month subscriptions hiding in the fine print. You can even preview all the pro color themes, like Glacier Blue or Vault Black, in the settings before you ever pull out your wallet. Now, before you dive into any fasting regimen, the app provides some incredibly clear, vital safety nudges right up front. Fasting is absolutely not a good idea for everyone. You should avoid it if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, under 18, have a history of an eating disorder, have type 1 diabetes or are on insulin, or if you're dealing with kidney disease or are currently underweight. We absolutely have to ground this in reality. The app prominently displays this reminder. This is a tracker, not medical advice. It is so important to talk to a doctor first, especially if you're attempting a fast stretching longer than 24 hours. The absolute golden rule of fasting is to listen to your body. If you feel faint, if your heart starts racing, if you feel confused or severely weak, stop and eat immediately. Those are your body's warning signals, not just boredom. Take them seriously. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of our demonstration. From installing it directly to your home screen without jumping through App Store hoops, to tracking your hydration, logging those amazing metabolic milestones, and even securely sharing the journey with a friend, we've seen exactly how to navigate this beautifully designed Swiss tool. So I'm going to leave you with this thought. Are you ready to take back your digital privacy while tracking your fasting journey securely and simply? If you're looking for intense focus without the modern app bloat, nüchtern might just be the exact companion you need. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy learning!